Yeah, hi friends, so welcome back again. So today we will be going to look at the bullish engulfing chart pattern. Okay, so bullish engulfing chart pattern is like, so which means that there is a downtrend and where the bullish engulfing candlestick will happen, which is an indication for the trend reversal, which is going to be the bullish. Okay, so the name itself suggests that this is a bullish uh, pattern. Okay, so let me show you an example of the Exavar. Okay, so here you can see that the trend is in the prior trend of this Exavar is in a downtrend. So here you can see this. So after the downtrend, here you can see this candle which is engulfing the previous red candle with the low and high. Okay, so here what you need to look into is like the prayer trend should be a downtrend. Okay, so here it validates, it gets validated, and this is a downtrend, and the previous day should make a new low. So which is also making the new low. This name it as a candle one, and this let's name it as a candle two. So candle one is making the low, and after that next day the candle used to open, and again this is opening below this low of the candle. Okay, so after that the bulls have been getting activated, means like they became more aggressive and they started pushing the price above this previous candle's high. So this means that this is the bullish engulfing pattern, which is like which will engulf the previous red candles. Okay, and you should make sure that the bullish engulfing happens with a very good volume. So here you can see that the volume is having a very huge amount of volume here, so which is also the positive signal. Okay, so till now what you have to validate is the prior trend should be in a downtrend, and the previous day candle of this engulf should be a red candle. So once that happens, make sure that there is a very good huge volume. Okay, so all these three things get satisfied here for this bullish engulfing chart. Okay, so after that, so if you are a very good aggressive trader, you can have actually taken long trade. If you're finding out that this is a bullish engulfing trade on this same day itself, and if you are a normal trader, so make sure that you take a trade above this bullish engulfing candles high. So here let's say in X hour, this is the candle's high is at 256.09. Okay, so let's take it as 256.10. Okay, so if the price starts moving above this level, then you can initiate a long position, and the bull trends will exist for few more days, we can assure that. So there is more buyers in this X hour for now, so that the price will move high for the next few days. Okay, and always keep a SL below this bulling engulfing P1 or P2's low, whichever is the lowest point. Okay, so here the low of this P1 candle 1 and candle 2 is like it's at 231. So maintain a stop loss below this 231, and go long above this 256.10. Okay, so this is the bullish engulfing pattern. So make sure that trend is down, and make sure the green candle has the full body, means like it should not have more wicks. Okay, wicks or tail. Okay, so here you can see this, there is no tail under this low, which is like you can always ignore the minor wicks. Okay, so this is the very good bullish engulfing chart pattern. So also make sure that you enter above this high of this candle. So this is about the bullish engulfing pattern. This is like, if this bullish engulfing pattern occurs either at anywhere between the support level, then it's a double confirmation to enter the trade. Okay, so hope this video has been helpful for you guys. So please do subscribe and watch our channel continuously. So thanks for watching.